All right, let's begin by introducing the supply parts and hardware. We have the tail rack, and we also have two M8 by 30 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts, two M8 by 25 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts, and then we have corresponding washers, tall spacers with the longer bolts, and short spacers with the shorter bolts. The tools, 5 millimeter Allen socket, ratchet plus extensions. You can begin by placing these spacers in place on top of the OEM rear rack grab handle. Long spacers go at the back and the short spacers go at the front. And then gently put the rear rack on top of these spacers. And then grab the bolts, but before you put the bolts in, apply some blue medium strength Loctite. And then hand thread the bolts in, nice and easy. As you can see, M8 by 25s at the front, 30 millimeter long bolts at the back. And then you can begin to gradually tighten the bolts. And we suggest that you go out for a test ride. After the test ride, double check all the bolts once again. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636.